And breaking here in Oregon, after more than a month on strike, nurses at 8 Providence hospitals across Oregon look like they've reached a deal. The Oregon Nurses Association says they have a tentative agreement in place with Providence. They'll be voting whether to ratify it this weekend. If it's approved, it would end the strike at Providence hospitals that's lasted 43 days now. However, this is the second deal reached in this strike, and the nurses rejected the first one. A member of the bargaining unit at Providence, Milwaukee, says this contract proposal will give nurses more incentive to vote yes and get back to work long term.
I think that after we voted down the last tentative agreement, you have us as bargaining team members telling them in a room, this is not what our members want, but they didn't have physical evidence of them saying that. That's just the bargaining team. And so voting down the last tentative agreement really showed.
So if it's approved, nurses will get pay raises ranging from 20 to 42% over the contract and 16 to 22% right away. They'll also get retroactive pay and a ratification bonus. The deal also includes provisions for staffing levels and meal and break pay. If the deal's approved, nurses would go back to work next Wednesday. Providence says they're, quote, hopeful that ONA represented nurses will ratify the tentative agreements that pave a solid path forward for us all.